Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm venturing to one of the most refreshing waterfalls near Chennai. With its year-round flow, crystal clear pool and a scenic trekking route, makes this place ideal to beat the summer heat and have fun with family and friends. Come along with me to explore the serene beauty of Aare Falls. Located in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, Aare Falls is about 90 kilometers from Chennai. The best way to reach here is by your own vehicle, and Google Maps will guide you directly to the location. This falls is nestled in the Nagalapuram hills and are maintained by the Andhra Pradesh Forest Department. Vehicle charges are 50 rupees for two-wheeler and 300 rupees for four-wheeler. And the falls is open to visitors from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. After getting the entry ticket, you need to drive another 1 kilometer to reach the parking spot, which is equipped with drinking water and restroom facilities to ensure a comfortable experience for visitors. At the starting point of the trek, a quick security check is done to ensure visitors are not carrying any alcohol. And upon completion, your trek begins. Aare Falls has 7 waterfalls, and each one is different. But for safety reasons, only the first and second falls are open to visitors. It is an easy 2-kilometer trek, and it takes around 40 minutes to reach the first falls. Along the way, you'll come across a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. I made a quick stop to offer my prayers, and with the blessings, I resumed the trek. Well-constructed steps make it easy to descend, and just a quick 5-minute walk from here will take you to the waterfalls. This is the first falls, where the water cascades down the rocks and forms a natural pool at the base. The best part about Aare Falls is the availability of life jackets, which makes it a safe and enjoyable spot even for non-swimmers. After spending an hour at the first falls, I continued towards the second. The second falls is just 400 meters away from the first, and it takes around 10 minutes to reach. This is the second falls, where the crystal clear water and a natural pool create a serene atmosphere. Considering the facilities, safety and trekking level, this is a perfect one-day trip destination to relax with family and friends. If you have any question about Aare Falls adventure, drop them in comments below. See you in the next video.